Remand for a Class A misdemeanor?
This does seem a bit extreme, Ms. Turner.
Your Honor, the people are treating this young woman like she robbed a bank.
Given her record, that could be next.
Ma'am, you need to sit down, and I would advise you to let the defendant's attorney handle this.
Your Honor, I actually prefer Miss Quartermain to ma'am, but I digress. There is nothing to be handled. The sheriff and councilman were misinformed when they arrived with their demolition order. The entire matter had previously been settled.
Is this true?
An agreement had been reached between Monica Quartermain and the Port Charles Land Trust.
I have the agreement right here. And you will see that there was absolutely no reason for the sheriff and the councilman to be anywhere near my family crypt with bulldozers. Ergo, no crime has been committed, no reason to punish this upstanding young woman.
This agreement does seem to be in order.
The people have no case, Your Honor. This arraignment is nothing but a waste of time and taxpayers' money. You are an extremely busy man. So how about we stop wasting the court's time, dismiss the charges?
Ms. Turner, thoughts?
The people agree. The agreement predates the court order. The sheriff was there in error.
It's all settled. Your Honor, can we end this charade?
However, that doesn't change the fact that Ms. Scorpio Drake was ordered by law enforcement to vacate the premises and she refused.
Your Honor, the crypt would have been bulldozed if she hadn't.
And as no one, including the defendant, is denying her actions, the people recommend that the charges stand.
Well, I'm inclined to agree.
Your Honor!
But we are not going to trial over this. We're going to work it out right here, right now.
Your Honor, if I may.
At this point, why not?
Since I already have a record, a guilty plea's not gonna make anything worse, so could I just, do some community service or something?
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Well, given the new circumstances, the people agree.
Fantastic. Miss Scorpio Drake.
I'd like to change my plea to guilty, Your Honor.
So entered. The defendant will serve community service. Number of hours to be determined.
Yeah, about that, Your Honor. I've got a packed course load this semester.
Just say thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What up, y'all? This your boy Ace here. And welcome to Afternoons Delight. Welcome back on in, everybody, man. Hope y'all having a wonderful Wednesday, midday, hump day, part of the week, man. Woman Crush Wednesday, whatever you want to call Wednesdays, man. But let's get on into it, man. So we had the 62nd anniversary of GH yesterday, so really wasn't nothing going on. The only thing that I was going to report on was basically Donna praying for Michael, revealing that she did talk to him. I was going to do a video on that, but, we're on Wednesday now, so I'm going to just go ahead and skip that and get the business here, because we got about 3 different Emma videos to do. Emma had a very interesting day. So it's a lot to cover when it comes to her. We're going to start with Tracy defending her first and going ahead and get right into it, because we're going to spend some time talking about not what I think will happen, but, just some of my suspicions kind of being confirmed today about whatever she did in California was really serious. So anyways, so let's go just basically to the case on hand. So, Emma was able to be in front of a judge today to get this whole thing sorted out with her being arrested for trying to protect the Quartermain crypt. And luckily Tracy was there, because Tracy basically acted like her lawyer more than the lawyer that she had next to her. The lawyer that she had next to her was pathetic, right? Because this is why I love Emma, man. She was like, I already know the drill, and I'm going to plead not guilty. Like, she's just overran her lawyer, bro. Just overran her. Overran him. I think it was a guy, lawyer. But, so on the other side, it was, what's her name? 88 Turner. So 88 Turner has been very interesting, because she's definitely trying to figure out what Emma did in California, right? But in this situation, it was already taken care of. We know that with the whole thing with Monica making an agreement with the city before about the land and the crypt and stuff like that. And that stuff has already been completed. And Tracy basically had the files with her, and the judge saw it, and the judge was like, yeah, we're not even going to try to put this thing in a motion in the trial or anything like that. So Emma ended up having to change her plea to guilty so she could just do community service hours. And it was funny because Anna was right behind her. And this girl, Emma, is stupid sometimes. She was literally saying, like, my school hours is going to be conflicted with the community service hours. Like, girl, you get those free with this. Shut up. I was agreeing with Anna on that. Like, you get those guys free. Like, just shut up and just do the hours, bro. So I was like, man, this is just crazy, man. But yeah, man, Tracy, I'm loving this dynamic between Tracy and Emma right now, man. I really am. And I'm actually hoping Tracy is somehow involved in maybe helping Emma get cleared of what's ever going on in California. But I don't know if she can, though, because she doesn't, first of all, she doesn't know about it. And it might not be too serious for Tracy to even defend her. But I just like the respect that Tracy has for Emma, because Emma showed the same respect for her family, and I think she saw that, and I think she's gained a lot of respect for Emma. You know what I mean? It's a great dynamic, man. Because remember, Gio and Emma were talking about how much they respected Tracy, like last month. After she had confronted Drew for the first time at the crypt. So they were saying like they like how stern, they respect how stern she is, and how she doesn't play games and all that other stuff, man. So that's great to see. That's great to see, and that's great to hear as well. So shout out to Tracy, man. Shout out to Tracy, but we got some important business to take care of, man. Yeah, we got something to talk about in this next video, man. We're going to talk about Anna's conversation first with Emma, and then we're going to talk about 88 Turner's conversation with Anna, because like both of them are very important, because 88 Turner's eventually going to find out what she did too. So we're going to see about that. So go on ahead and give me y'all thoughts here. Give this video a like, share, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching this one after news. Till I see y'all in the next video.